GB Labs has launched Space NVMe and Space NVMe Plus, its latest all-NVMe storage solutions designed to deliver unparalleled performance, flexibility, and efficiency to media professionals. Space NVMe is a high-performance 1U NAS featuring 8 NVMe drives, delivering up to 10 GB per second throughput to the network. It comes equipped with dual 100 gigabit Ethernet connectivity as standard, with the flexibility to expand network I/O as needed. Space NVMe Plus steps up to a 2U chassis with 20 NVMe drives, achieving a remarkable 30 GB per second of network performance. It features dual 200 gigabit Ethernet networking and supports capacities up to 1.2 petabyte, all within just 2U of rack space.
Bluefish 444 has announced the immediate availability of Windows 11 plugin install package 2025.14.1, supporting the entire range of Kronos and Epic SDIST2110IO video cards, including support for HDR workflows. Updated software plugins include Adobe Creative Cloud 2020 to 2025, Assimilate Scratch 9.2 to 9.8, Avid Media Composer 2020 to 2025, AVPro Tools 2020 to 2025, Nuke and Nuke Studio 15, and Unity 1.6.3.4.
Montreal's 21,000-seat Bell Centre, the largest indoor arena in Canada and one of the world's biggest ice hockey venues, has implemented a new ST2110 infrastructure built around Calrec's space-efficient, reduced-height Argo S console. Its modular and flexible architecture makes it easy to reconfigure the console for different live production scenarios, including hockey broadcasts and music events. Bell Centre is also using the Argo S to produce expanded fan-focused and niche content for multi-platforms distribution, with a particular emphasis on social media and digital engagement. The compact, reduced-height design meets the venue's ergonomic requirements, while a combination of Dante and Madi I/O cards ensures it can cater to any visiting OB trucks needing access to its audio network. Its interoperable IP backbone enables seamless integration with key third-party components of the arena's network.
Vislink Technologies has promoted Raj Kotecha to Senior Vice President of Sales and Support. Raj will step up from his previous role as VP Strategic Accounts, where he played a pivotal role in expanding Vislink's footprint across global broadcast and public safety markets. He brings more than 20 years of experience in broadcast and wireless communications, with a proven track record of enabling customers to capture, transmit, and distribute live content securely and efficiently. In his new role, Raj will lead Vislink's global RF sales and support organization, driving growth across all key market sectors and building on the company's recent momentum in both commercial and government domains.
AVPro Edge has introduced the HEX UV2 and DX UV2 USB 2.0 over IP extension solution for its MXNet Evolution 2 ecosystem, which is designed to provide connectivity over long distances for systems with large numbers of endpoints. Both devices are PoE-compatible, which is designed to reduce the need for external DC power supplies. The HEX transmitter includes a USB-C port for host devices, while the DEX receiver offers 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C device ports. The HEX and DEX solution is designed to be compatible with HID devices such as keyboards and mice, as well as higher speed endpoints including PTZ cameras, microphones, and external storage.
ATC has launched the ATC SCS 120 Pro, a 15-inch active subwoofer designed to partner with its midfield and main monitor systems. Intended for studio use, the new model builds on the SCS 70 Pro, providing more headroom, deeper bass and performance suited for stereo, surround, and immersive formats, including Dolby Atmos. The SCS 120 Pro features ATC's newly developed 15-inch carbon paper composite driver, hand-built in the UK, to deliver extended response below 20 Hz. Using a slightly larger cabinet and eschewing heavy electronic processing, the subwoofer is powered by ATC's hand-built 300-watt class AB amplifier, featuring balanced inputs and output for pass-through, analog fourth-order Linkwitz Riley low-pass filtering, adjustable phase and polarity, and more. A foot switch-operated mute circuit allows multiple subs to be muted together.
Dear friends and colleagues, if you'd like your news to be featured in briefly, please reach out to us in the comments. Let's create news together.